I'm going to show you how to turn social media into closed funded deals using AI and the loan officer CRM. Now, why am I showing you this funky graph? Well, it shows that how did you find your loan officers? This is a massive nationwide study that was done, and 35% said real estate agent, 27% said friends and family, 11% said online search, and only 3% said social media. Now, some of you may see this and be like, okay, these are all individual, but in today's world, they're actually all connected. If you want to close and fund as many deals as possible from referrals from your past customer database, those people, when they are referred, they're going to Google your name. And now, with the enhancement of AI, they're going on ChatGPT and Gemini to search you as well. Same thing with real estate referral partners. When you reach out to them for the first time, they're going to look you up online. When they send a client to you, that client is going to look you up on Google and in AI and sometimes on social media. So when you look at generating results from social media, we have to understand that it's actually part of a holistic marketing plan that gets ratings and reviews on your Google business profile, that produces content on your blog so that you show up in the search results, so that you feed information into AI so these AI engines display you when somebody goes to ChatGPT and says, who's the best mortgage lender in your marketplace? You pop up and all of your content goes on social media. If you're just producing content and posting it on social media, you're actually missing the largest opportunity that exists with social content, which is repurposing it into blogs and authority with Google and AI. So if you want the highest quality consumer direct leads, which is probably why you want to market on social media, you have to understand that the highest quality leads come from Google. People that Google your name or that Google mortgage lender in your local marketplace, read the ratings and reviews, and call you. So what do people see when they Google your name? Take a pause on this video. Go Google yourself. What do people see? Now, when you do that Google search, you're also going to see that AI has taken over the front page of Google, and it has completely transformed the way that the front page looks. If I was to ask you 9 months ago, what's the number one thing that comes up at the top of the Google search, your answer would be advertisements. Well, as soon as AI took over how the front page is laid out and they took that job away from engineers that were writing algorithms, AI got rid of the ads because AI sees all the data and knows most people skip over the ads anyway, so why bother having them at the top? On the left-hand side here, you see a search for Memphis mortgage lender, and you can see all the ads are gone, and the map placement shows up at the top. Now, when I do a search for mortgage calculator, the map doesn't show up. Why is that? It's because the AI can actually see the entire purchase journey that somebody goes through, and it can tell when people actually pick up the phone, talk to a mortgage lender, and submit an application. People that are researching mortgage calculator and mortgage rates are oftentimes so early in the buying process, they don't actually convert into a customer, which is why when you search mortgage lender, mortgage broker, best, closest, nearest, fastest, and search phrases that show the search engine that there's real purchase intent behind that search, that's when the map shows up. So you want to be in front of this traffic. Well, how do you do it? Well, you reverse engineer the artificial intelligence. And I've already gone out and invested roughly a year's worth of my time, an incredible amount of resources here at the Mortgage Marketing Animals and Connection Incorporated into reverse engineering what the search engines are looking for so that you can rank on Google, but you can also rank inside AI while at the same time producing the best social media content. Because when you look at the front page of Google and you do a search for mortgage lender, there's this section down at the bottom that says people also ask. Well, these are actually the most frequently asked questions of people in that local marketplace about mortgages. Well, what's the best social media content that you can put out there? Probably the number one question that people have about that topic in that local marketplace. So Google's actually giving you a list of the content that it wants you to produce. And when you produce that content and put it on social media, you've got the highest chance of engagement. And when you give it to the search engines, you have the highest possibility of building authority with them because you're giving AI the data that it wants and it needs. So how do you create all of this content? You go to the front page of Google, you do the search, you click on one of the questions, and it will just keep giving you topics. Pick the number one topic. Then there's 10 prompts that you take with that topic. This is the first one. It says, we want to produce an entire marketing suite of content to build authority and rank on this keyword, provide value to our past clients, and create engaging social media content that drives engagement and leads for our business. We're going to do this in stages through a series of prompts. And if you require additional information at any step, please ask for it. So all we're doing is we're taking that number one question, this prompt that I'm giving you, and we are punching it into either ChatGPT or Gemini. And that tool is going to create all of the content for us. So the first thing that we ask the AI to do is to create a blog post. And the prompt is, here's what you're going to do. Number one, create a blog post on the number one topic from above. And we've taken that topic. It's the number one question on Google in your local marketplace. Write it so it is very valuable to our audience and has the best opportunity to rank in the search engines when people search for the number one search that you found above. It will give you a blog post. Make sure that you give the prompt feedback. Give the AI feedback on whether you liked the blog, whether you didn't, so that it can learn your writing style, because the next time you ask it to do a blog post, it will write more like you. And eventually it just spits out content where you look at it and you go, yeah, that's really good. I will publish that. So what I've done is I'm giving you all 10 of these prompts so that you can take them and create all of the content that you need absolutely free as part of this video series. So you can scan this QR code that you see on the screen, or you can go to crmgiveaway.com/CRM. That's crmgiveaway.com/CRM. You get all 10 prompts. What the prompts do is create a blog post, then it creates a video script so that you can either get an avatar and have the avatar speak the answer to the questions, or you can use an app like BigView, put it on your phone, and record a video of you sharing the content. You can also use the video creation tool right inside the Loan Officer CRM to create that content and send it out to your entire database, but then also take that video and put it on YouTube or embed it directly onto your blog. After your video content is produced, then it creates the email to go out to your past customer database. It creates the email that goes out to your referral partners. It creates your social media content for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, TikTok, all of the different platforms out there. So not only do you create the content, but the content actually gets blasted out in a way where it's going to generate results for you. This is a blog post that was created using the exact process that I just gave you. You can see I've got a video. The video script was written by artificial intelligence. And then the blog post, which is essentially the outline of the script, is below. Now, our website is fully optimized for this particular keyword that we're focused on, and all of the content was produced by AI. Then what we do is we go over to the Loan Officer CRM and we use our social scheduling and syndication tool. This saves you hours and hours of time and makes it so that you can broadcast your message across all of the social media platforms in the same amount of time and effort that it takes to post on just one. How does it work? Well, you come into the marketing tab and then you click on the marketing planner, and it will pull up this calendar for you where you can schedule out all of your social media content. So you can take an entire month, sit down in a 2 to 3 hour working session, create all of your content, pre-program it on this calendar, and it will automatically post on the dates and times that you've set it to post. You simply click on the date, you select the social account, and you can see it's going to post out on all of our different social media accounts. So again, this is Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, TikTok. They're all connected on the back end of the Loan Officer CRM, so it can post to all of your accounts, plus have AI respond to the comments that you get on Facebook and Instagram automatically right through your CRM. You select the account that you want to post on. So I'm going to select all the accounts. And then you take the content from ChatGPT that it has written for you using the prompt that I gave you, and you simply paste the content in here. Then you put a call to action button on it, select the label that you want on that button, And then when you click down here, you schedule the post for date, time, click schedule, and that social media content goes out at that time automatically through the CRM. Now, we also have underneath post here a brand new social media content creating AI tool. So if I go back into the social planner, I click on new post and I click on content AI, we have a mortgage specific writing engine built into the software where all you do is you create the title of the main keyword that you want, provide a brief content description of what you want the style to be like. You select a writing tone of funny, casual, excited, professional, witty, sarcastic, whatever, and then tell it how many variations you want of the content and whether you want it to be small, medium, or large, or a custom length. I choose medium most times. And then you click on generate, and the AI will actually write the social media content for you right inside the platform. So if you want to use ChatGPT or Gemini to create the blog, create the video script, have all of that done for you, and then create your social content inside the CRM, you can do that. This is also great when there's news that has dropped and you want to make a witty post about it, but you don't have a ton of time to sit down and actually do your social media for the day. Just pop into the Creator AI and it will write a phenomenal post for you. And as always, your purchase is 100% safe because you are taking advantage of our 100% money back guarantee. There's no upfront fee and there's no long-term contract, and you've got a full 30 days to try the entire system out to make sure that it's a good fit for you. So come in, get paired with your one-on-one onboarding specialist, your coach. They're going to walk you through setting up the software, launching your first campaign to your past customer database. And even after you've gone through that process, if you're not 100% satisfied, we will still give you 100% of your money back, and you get to keep the bonuses that we give you as part of your system as well. So right now, go to loanofficercrm.ai. Claim your subscription. Head on over to loanofficercrm.ai, invest today, and I look forward to seeing you inside the members community.